Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are safe and sound, all of you. And happy Mother's Day too. Today we are studying a reading lesson, class book page 88, Robinson Crusoe. First, the question: what happened to Robinson Crusoe's ship? عنا هون ستوري كاملة عن شخص اسمه الكاركتر الشخصية بهالستوري روبنسون كروسو. الكاتب لهاي الشخصية the writer. who is the writer? دانيال ديفو. رح ندرس الفقرة الأولى. Robinson Crusoe was sailing to Africa when his ship hit the rocks in a terrible storm. He swam to the shore and discovered he was the only survivor. The next day, he swam out to his shipwreck. It was on some rocks near the island. He brought back tools and other useful supplies. Then he looked for a place to build a shelter. فعنا شخص مثل ما انتم شايفينه روبنسون كروسو. He was sailing كان بيبحر. was sailing. Where did he or where was he sailing? وين كانت وجهته؟ It was to Africa. Okay. What happened to him? شو صار له بالطريق؟ His ship hit the rocks in a terrible storm. صار في عنا terrible storm عاصفة قوية strong wind وسفينته ضربت بالصخور وتحطمت. He swam to the shore and discovered he was the only survivor. اكتشف انه هو لما سبح ووصل لعند الشط shore الشط الساحل اكتشف انه هو the only survivor. إذن how many people lived after this terrible storm? one person اللي هو روبنسون كروسو the only survivor. طبعا كلمة survivor person noun الشخص الناجي الوحيد. The next day he swam to his shipwreck. تاني يوم سبح لعند الشipwreck. It was on some rocks near the island. طبعا الشipwreck كان قريب near the island. He brought back tools and other useful supplies. Then why did he swim to the shipwreck? He swam to brought back tools and other useful supplies. Useful راح يجيب أغراض useful supplies لوازم مفيدة ومهمة لحتى يستخدمها على الجزيرة. supplies tools and objects that you need. Okay. Then he looked for a place to build a shelter. ثم هو راح يبحث لحتى عن مكان جيد to build a shelter. إذن he will use the tools or the supplies to build a shelter. مأوى. Tomorrow we'll continue the lesson. Goodbye.